In this module, we will discuss how to locate statistical profiles of local geographic areas using the U.S. Census Bureau website. This type of information may be useful if you are working with a nonprofit organization that targets a specific geographic area. The full U.S. Census, which is conducted every 10 years, generates one of the largest collections of U.S. demographic data. The agency also conducts additional surveys on a more frequent basis, such as the American Community Survey. The front-end interface for Census Bureau data is called American Factfinder. The Census Bureau is currently in transition between two versions of Factfinder, so we'll take a look at both platforms. The American Factfinder 2 is the access point for data from the 2010 census. Please note that while very basic population data from the 2010 census is available now, detailed data from the census will continue to be released periodically from now until early 2013. Let's enter the site by clicking on American Factfinder 2 New. From this screen, there are several routes you can take to generate a profile of a geographic area, such as a state, a city, etc. One approach to use is the Quick Start box in the middle of the page. Let's do a search for statistics for Milwaukee County by typing that search term in the Geography box in the Quick Start section and clicking Go. This has generated a long list of statistical tables for the geographic area that I requested. The first result on the list should always be the DP table or tables. These are the demographic profile data. Let's click on the DP table for Milwaukee County. This will give us the profile of general population and housing characteristics for 2010. By scrolling down through the page, we can view the demographic makeup of the county for criteria such as gender, age, race, Hispanic or Latino origin, household type, and housing occupancy. To view additional tables for this geographic area, click the Back to Search button near the upper left corner of the screen. We can see numerous tables on the list that are labeled QT. These quick tables provide more detail on various population and housing topics. For example, QTP2, single years of age and sex, provides numbers and percentages for each year of age, as well as for 5-year groupings. Let's click back to search. If you would like to review another geographic area for comparative purposes, you can simply click on the Geographies box on the left side of the screen. Then you can select the desired location type, like county, the United States as a whole, etc. In order to view other types of descriptive data, including social and economic statistics for your geographic area, it is necessary at this time to use the legacy or older version of the American Factfinder. We'll scroll down past the announcement to the Fast Access to Information box, and we'll type in Milwaukee County. Then we'll click Go in the Get a Fact Sheet area. We're now looking at a fact sheet for Milwaukee County generated from data collected in the 2005 through 2009 American Community Survey. The American Community Survey is an ongoing survey that provides data every year and collects additional types of information such as income and education levels that are not covered by the official 10-year census. As we scan through the fact sheet for Milwaukee County, we can view a more detailed profile of the area to supplement the basic population statistics reported in the 2010 official census. For example, we can see that 8.5% of the population are veterans under the social characteristics section. Also in the social characteristics section, we can see that 15% of the population speak a language other than English at home. Down below in the economic characteristics section, we can see that the median family income is approximately $55,000. We can also directly compare the demographic makeup of this area to the United States as a whole. For example, 18% of individuals in Milwaukee County are below the poverty level, compared with 13.5% for the entire United States. Please be aware that the older legacy version of the American Factfinder is scheduled to be discontinued during the fall 2011 semester. All data for this older platform, including the American Community Survey statistics, will be transferred to the new platform at that time.